It has been a year of milestones for the Japanese beauty company Yoshitsu. Yoshitsu is a retailer and wholesaler of beauty and health products that saw a year of growth despite difficulties in the market. The beauty industry is growing, worth over $90 billion in China and $131 billion in Europe. Meanwhile, North America continues as its largest market at $364.8 billion. Traditional stores, especially pharmacies, still represent the largest segment of beauty and health product sales, though there is an increasing shift towards e-commerce that was partially motivated by the lockdowns of the past few years. Companies in the beauty and health space have looked to seek new solutions in 2022 to meet the changing market needs. One company that struggled was New York personal care icon Revlon. The company had a tough year, first filing for bankruptcy before being suspended and delisted by the New York Stock Exchange in October 2022. Parisian personal care company L'Oreal started a research and development collaboration with Alphabet subsidiary Verily to better understand skin health and aging processes. American company Ulta Beauty saw a net increase of income of 17% in the first half of 2022 and also launched its Beauty and campaign to revolutionize the beauty industry and change perspectives on how to understand beauty and health well-being. Tokyo-based Yoshitsu saw its product portfolio of cosmetics, skincare, fragrances, and cosmetic applicators expand to sauces, condiments, and various food products. Despite market challenges resulting from strict Japanese and Chinese lockdowns, Yoshitsu expanded in the past year, opened more physical locations, and saw record company growth. While some companies permanently closed their brick-and-mortar stores, Yoshitsu has been expanding. In November 2022, it opened a warehouse in London, UK to respond to strong European demand for its products. It also added an additional store in Hong Kong with significant interest coming from China, which reportedly made up 75% of Yoshitsu's revenue in 2021. COVID was tough for companies as Japan was closed to tourists for 2 years following the pandemic. But when Japan opened up its borders, Yoshitsu was there. It opened various pickup locations offering duty-free cosmetics to entice tourists with sites at its Urawa and Koshigawa Ryutsu Danshi stores in Saitama as well as in Nagano. The company also handled the market challenges by capitalizing on its robust network of 200-plus wholesale partners. 95% of its revenue came from online stores, franchise stores, and wholesale operations in 2021. In November, the company entered into a revolving credit facility agreement with a syndicate of national banks. The agreement, for JPY 8.15 billion, expands the opportunity to reinvest in the company and to fulfill a balanced capital allocation. Successes made possible by steps like the credit agreement include Yoshitsu's addition of sauces, dressings, and condiment products to its portfolio, entering a market worth over $21 billion. It diversified this plan by later adding a host of food products, including frozen and refrigerated items, processed food, and confectionery. Perhaps unsurprisingly, after a strong year, Yoshitsu saw record revenue growth. Reflecting on its successes, Principal Executive Officer of Yoshitsu, Mike Kanayama, said, "Although the global economy has been filled with uncertainties, we are satisfied with the accomplishments achieved in our key strategic initiatives, including the completion of our initial public offering in January 2022 and the expansion of our market coverage with new stores and wholesale customers."